Hello and welcome to Scratch Programming. Today we're going to be creating geometric designs using the loops that we created in our previous lesson. So let's create our first program. Now there's one or two extensions here that I'm just going to talk you through, okay, such as pen up, erase all. So let's move over to Scratch and let's create our first program. Okay, so let's change the title at the top here and we just call it loop 1. Our first piece of code, we're going to go to events and select when the green flag is clicked. We drag that over. Okay, so our next block of code, if we look at our worksheet, is going to be pen up, and then we also need erase all. To do that, you go to the bottom left hand corner, you see a blue tab which says add extension, select that, and then select pen. Okay, now you'll have the pen tab. Now if you're on a mobile device, it's the same process. Bottom left hand corner, blue tab, add extension, select pen. Okay, add extension, select pen. Okay, so the next piece of code we need is pen up. We also need erase all. Okay, let's select motion and go to X and Y. At any period you need to pause the video, do your code, then continue on with the video. That's fantastic. That's really what it's for. Okay, so this value of X, we're going to do minus 240. The value of Y is 70. Now when you run your code, you're going to be able to see exactly what this does. Let's go back to pen, and we can go pen down, add that underneath. Now we need our loop, so let's go to control, because that's what all our loops are, and we want to repeat until, and it's this one here. Okay, repeat until, and then we have some sort of operator that we're going to add in. So let's go to operators, and we want a greater than value. Okay, so we want to add the X position, so go to motion, scroll down, X position, repeat until the X position is greater than 230. Okay, now we need to go back to our pen tab and we need the change pen color. Just add that within our loop. Now we're going to go to motion and select the glide X and Y, which is right here. Drop that in underneath. So glide, we're going to change to 0.1 seconds. Now we're going to add operators in here. Okay, so let's go back to operators and we want the addition, which is the very top one, and we can just drop that in. Okay, we need another addition, and again we can just drop that in. We get a little indication when we've got the right spot, and we're going to go back to motion and we're going to add our X position in these operators. Okay, so that one right there, yeah, and then a Y position. Now you can see it highlights white for the area it's going to put. You don't want all of it, you just want a little singular like that. I'll add it in. Change these values to 10 for X and 50 for Y. Okay, now we need to go back to our pen block and we want to change pen color by 10. We can leave that in. Now we go back to our motion and we want the same code. Okay, so we'll grab another glide, we'll drop it in, we'll change the value to 0.1 again. We want to add some operators. We want the addition operators. So we'll go to operators, drop them in, the addition, and drop them in. Now if we go to motion, we want, same as we did before, X position, just drop it in. We want the Y position, drop it in, and then we just want to change the values. For X, it's going to be 10. And as you can see, I've dropped this in the wrong position, so just bring it over to there. And for Y, we want minus 50. If you make a mistake, you can always pick the blocks up and just drop them back in. Now, if we press, we can bring our sprite down over here for a moment. And if we press the green flag, we can see the code running and we can see what pattern it is. Okay, well done.